means laugh out loud in abbreviated form. It does double duty as an exclamation point and a verb. The acronym is widely used in online chats and text messages. Even though it literally means laugh out loud, most people only use to imply a smile or a little enjoyment. Despite having lost some of its luster and meaning over the years, remains a widely used slang expression that is not limited to the realm of digital discourse. A common abbreviation for laugh out loud or laughing out loud means exactly what it says. Established in early forms of internet communication by 1993, the acronym originated in that decade. The original hilarity of has faded with the passage of time. Nowadays, it is seldom expected that the person using it is truly laughing aloud. The most probable interpretation is a grin or mild enjoyment. Implementation guidance. The acronym LOL has dual interjectional and spoken uses. Not everyone uses full capital letters when typing. For emphasis, write in all capital letters to show that you are genuinely laughing. You shouldn't use in serious writing, and there's no set guideline for whether to uppercase it while talking with friends. Even though expressing in speech creates a paradox in which you claim to be laughing out loud while not really doing so, the expression is widely employed in spoken communication. A few funny instances. Seriously, it was the funniest thing I've heard all day. In place of sugar, I subbed in salt. When you mention a squirrel, I always have a good time.